Hello and welcome to learnnetworks.com. This is ospf video part 2 and we will see how we can configure ospf stub on Juniper routers. Stub areas are areas through which external advertisements are not flooded. You might want to create stub areas when the ospf database consists of too many external advertisements, and you can reduce the size of the ospf database and hence reduce the usage of memory on the routers. So let's get started. All the IP addresses and basic ospf has been pre-configured, and we will configure ospf area 1 as stub. Okay, so let's log into J2 and do a quick check on what's configured. So just the basic ospf has been pre-configured, and you can do run show ospf neighbor, and you can see that you have a neighborship. Let's do a quick check on the routing table. Run show route protocol ospf, and you can see that I have reachability to J3 and J1, and I also have a route to the external destination, which is 4.2.2.2. Let's do a quick check on the database. Show ospf database, and you can see that this is the external LSA type 5, and I have some summary LSA type 3 as well, which are the routes from area 0. Okay, so the objective of this lab is that after configuring area 1 as stub, we will not see the external LSA in area 1, right? And instead we will see a default route which is which is a summary LSA type 3, and which will be used to reach external destinations, and it will be originated by the ABR, which is J3. Okay, so let's just do it on J3 first. Okay, so I will do this configuration in the edit mode, which make a lot of sense. I'll go to edit protocol ospf and set areas 1 as stub and do a commit, and we can go to J2 and see the neighbors, and you see that the neighbor is down, which effectively means that all the routers in area 1 need to be configured for stub, right? So let's just do it. Configuration mode, edit protocol ospf, set area 1 as stub and do a commit, and do a show ospf neighbor, and you see that indeed the neighbor is up, and you can do a check on the routes, and indeed I see the routes to J3 and J1. Let's just do a quick ping test. Ping 1.1.1.1, and which I can, and ping to 3.3.3.3, which I can. Do the check on the routing table, and I don't see a default route as of now, and the reason is that you need to configure the default metric option on the ABR before it advertises a default route. So let's log into J3 and do that. I can do it, and you need to define a default metrics and a value. I will give it as 10 and do a commit, and now I see a default route, right? and do a quick check on the database. So database, and I see that the default route is summary LSA type 3. Can do a detail of the database, show ospf database LSA ID detail, and indeed it says that it's a summary LSA type 3 and the matrix is 10, which is what we configured on the ABR. Okay, and we still see the external LSA which has not timed out. Let's just do a quick clear ospf database external, and you can do still we see it, and it has timed out. And let's just do a quick ping test. Ping to 4.2.2.2, which it does, and do a show route 4.2.2.2, and we see that it's via the default route. And do a quick check on the neighbors, show ospf neighbors. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and I will see you back. Thank you.